since a federal judge Rudy Giuliani immediately ordered to cough $148 million. The former mayor of New York could be used as Christmas ornaments because he owed to two Georgian election workers. Judge Berryl A. Howell was a 13-page decision on Wednesday, and the election workers who wanted to wait 30 days before the application of financial decisions against Giuliani were applied with Freeman and Shaye Moss.He said that can conceal his assets when he was given more time on Giuliani's efforts to hide or conceal his assets. With legal and financial difficulties, former federal prosecutor took it a live program late on Wednesday defend his live boss. Same person reportedly rejected his satisfaction pay bills after invoices overthrow 2020 election results. Giuliani made a decision that prevented his legal setbacks and role of Colorado Supreme Court in rules of January 6 and January 6 uprising and said, "Now we are entering fascist region." 4 judges who wrote this view raped the Constitution. Giuliani said, an illegal, violent tearing. Giuliani has doubled popular Maga Talking Points scare President Joe Biden because he described the country as a giving to undocumented immigrants, and claimed that if Trump was still responsible, there would be no war in Ukraine. Rents have been ended with strange promotions for balance of nature supplements, which are the subject of various warnings made from Food and Pharmaceutical Administration.diseases, such as, apparently, despite the amazing financial judgment against him. Giuliani, who entered the holiday spirit, called his followers not only take supplements every day, but also to use empty bottles decorate Christmas trees. On Wednesday's show, "I showed you how to bring you together last night," he said. "This is now going to the tree. Not only is it great as a sock filling," he said, "help me fight traitors."